Today I'm reviewing the Vevor Foldable welding table, and we're going to see if this table lives up to all the hype that we so commonly see on the late-night infomercials. But more importantly, we're going to see just what this foldable welding table has to bring to the table. But before that, there's something that I need to get off my chest. I didn't pay for this table. Vevor sent it to me because they love my review videos, and if you click my affiliate link, I'll show you the same kind of love, only I can't show it on camera. Funny story though. Well, more cute than funny. Vevor let me pick this welding table from a list of offerings, and although this is not a welding channel, I do welding at times. My thoughts though is that this table can be used for a lot more than welding. Like its owner sometimes, the Vevor Foldable welding table comes in a box. Please click on that like or dislike button if you think that my jokes suck. I'll include affiliate links below, which I get small commissions if you order Vevor stuff through these links. If you want to buy me a coffee or a nice cold brewski, look into the super thanks options in the comments. Like the bike cargo trailer that I reviewed a few weeks ago, this table was manufactured for Vevor by Shanghai Muyayu Zangonsky, the only name to remember in fine bicycle cargo trailers and foldable welding tables. Shanghai Muyayu Zangonsky. Shanghai Muyayu Zangonsky. They make welding tables and plasma cutters and bicycle cargo trailers. And I reckon they make a lot of other things for Vevor too. With a name like Shanghai Muyayu Zangonsky, you can't go wrong, see. Yeehaw! In the box, there's the table itself, 4 legs, 2 of which have wheels, and there's a small package of hardware and an owner's manual. Assembly will require a couple of 14mm wrenches, but when it comes down to it, you can get by with just an adjustable wrench. If you're a welder and/or fabricator buying a welding table though, you will likely have the tools necessary to facilitate the assembly process, unless you don't. After inventorying the parts, there came the difficult decision as to which side the handle should go on. While there is no right or wrong answer, my guiding light for this decision came down to my love for identification tags and logos. The handle acts as a crash guard protecting this tag from getting hideously disfigured. Plus, you can view the beautiful Vevor logo as you move the table from point A to point B. The legs have these little plastic caps designed to protect your floor from scratches. These caps seem to fall off easily, as many plastic caps do. There's a couple ways to resolve this using tape, glue, or like I did with some short self-drilling sheet metal screws. At the end of the day though, I guess that if you're welding, your floor has more to worry about than getting marred by these legs. Get it close to the center. You can measure these if you want. I'm not measuring them. I'm not building a cuckoo clock here. And the legs with the wheels go on the opposite end as the handle, with the smiley face looking grooves pointing inward, as shown using 2 bolts, nuts, and washers on each. Repeat the process with the non-wheeled legs on the opposite side with the handle on it. Welp, let's move this table outside so we can get a better look at it in some natural light, observing its finer details. Okay, so fully assembled, the Vevor Foldable welding table weighs about 43 pounds or 19.5 kilograms. So these gloves are Kevlar, they're cut resistant. I think I bought them on Amazon, and When you're handling anything like this, these could actually save you from getting sutures in your hand. But it always pays to grab things by the smooth edges, just to stay on the safe side. I'll be sure to leave the link for these Kevlar gloves in the description. Clicking these links helps this channel through small commissions I earn from any purchase. Being foldable and having wheels makes this welding table easy to move by just dragging it along like an executive dragging their carry-on luggage at the airport. Although, I don't think that this table would fit in an overhead baggage compartment. It just comes to show you that even with the Shanghai Muxin Muye Zhangongski product, you still can't have it all. The Vevor Foldable welding table unfolds easily and is ready for whatever you choose to use it for in a matter of seconds. The top measures 44 inches or 112 centimeters in length, just over 21 inches or 54 centimeters wide, and about 29¼ inches or 74 centimeters tall, adjusted as low as it will go. At its maximum height, it measures 36 inches or 91½ centimeters. And according to my sheet metal gauge, the top is made of 14 gauge galvanized steel, or roughly 2 millimeters thick. The Vevor Foldable Welding Table by Shanghai Muxin Muye Zhangongski claims to have a 500-pound capacity. While I'm not going to test this by stacking lots of stuff on it, I can flop my 200-pound or so self on it and even climb up on it, and it feels solid. Before climbing on it and practicing your gymnastics, be sure to make sure everything is tight. The Most Limite Show accepts no liability for mishaps, injuries, or collateral damage as a result of you, the viewers, replicating any of the annex in my videos. This foldable welding table seems very solid and a great value for the price. It seems like it will be useful to me for a multitude of things aside from welding, such as a table for product reviews outdoors, displaying my collection of pliers and other tools that can fit any included holes, or even use it as just a cool bench to stand at, sipping my coffee and just taking it all in. The creative mind knows no limits when it comes to finding uses for the Vevor Foldable Welding Table by Shanghai Muxin Muye Zhangongski. The only things I dislike about this table are as follows. The first one is kind of petty. The vinyl caps were a nice idea, but they could have been glued, riveted, or whatever so that they don't fall off. I would have also liked to have seen lock pins to secure the legs while the table is in use. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I would like to thank Vevor for sending me this foldable welding table to make this video possible. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.